Today we will be sharing with you this delicious eggplant appetizer. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 eggplant, 1 tomato sliced, mozzarella cheese slices, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and a 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary. We're going to start by slicing the eggplant and setting it aside for later. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, and rosemary. We're going to place our eggplant slices on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Using a knife, we're going to score lines on the eggplant going in 2 opposite directions. Now we're going to brush our seasoned oil mixture onto our eggplants. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. On top of the eggplants, we're going to add our tomato slices. We're going to brush our tomatoes with the seasoned oil mixture. Over the tomatoes, we're going to add our mozzarella cheese slice. Now we're going to brush our mozzarella cheese with our seasoned oil mixture. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our eggplant appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.